Bismillah, Alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala Rasulillah. Assalamu alaikum. Learn Tajweed the easy way, lesson 36a, in which we will take words with shadda on noon and mim. When you have shadda on noon and mim or mim, then you have to recite with gunna. Gunna means nasal sound with double stretch, like inna, imma, and so on. So let us take the case of noon with shadda. Repeat after me. Anna, anna, annahu, annahu, annahum, annahum, innama, innama, inna, inna, innahu, innahu, innahum, innahum, innaka, innaka, inni, inni. Remember, anna and inna with these different suffixes has occurred in the Quran so many times. That's why we have taken all the cases here. Innakum, innakum, inna, inna, kunna, kunna, jannatin, jannatin, jahannama, jahannama, walakinna, walakinna. Now we will take mim with shadda. Alright, and again you have to stretch double and get it from your nose, nasal sound. Repeat after me. Mimma, mimma, amma, amma, lamma, lamma, wa amma, wa amma, thumma, thumma. That's it for now. Jazakumullah khair. Wassalamu alaikum.